Ang empty ngayon ang soccer field. Pasok tayo dito ngayon. Dito tayo pasok. Lang. Ayun. Walang katao-tao. Solo ang ating soccer field ngayon. Doon tayo sa dulo. Meron din soccer field doon sa dulo doon, sa taas doon. Wala rin tao doon. Gawa lang tayo ng exercise, tapos shooting training and little running, little tricksing. Magandang tanghali or lunch na pala, pero hindi pa ako makain ng lunch, kaya happy ako. Mag training na lang ako muna. Instead for go to gym, soccer muna tayo. Ayan, change muna tayo ng sapatos para makalaro tayo agad. Fix na ang camera, tapos warm up lang muna bago ka mag-start sipa-sipa dyan or anong gagawin mo sa soccer field, kaya warm up ka muna.
A few moments later.
Ngayon naman mag-shot tayo. We're taking a shot, okay? From a goal. Ganda ang angle dito. Yeah. Maganda ang angle. Kaya let's change a view. Yan. Huwag lang natin tamaan ang camera.
A few moments later.
Yan. Kaya pa ako dito isang oras. Pero hindi pa rin ako nakagawa ng 10 straight tricks. Try natin ulit. Ayan, dalawang bola. Try natin maggawa ng 10 kung kaya natin. Kung hindi, I don't know. 2, 3, 4. Open. 12, 13, 14. Naka 14. Naka 14. Ano yan? Parang
A few moments later.
ayan, welcome to Ronald's Vlogs. Today's video, konting soccer lang, little football advice, and this is how I teach when I was younger. Before the game, warm up, stretch, and yeah, before the matches, of course. Nakakita yung yellow dot down, yellow and red one, and I have one more in the white one, white line na yellow na circle. Kaya today papakita ko sa inyo paano mag warm up na slow and then fast. This is how I do, and you can also do if you want to before the game. Sa unang-una, huwag ka muna tatakbo na mabilis. Slow, okay? You see, we started right now, okay? Ayun, ang pinakauna. Pero kung gusto mong effective talaga before the game, before the match, when you play the match before, you can do so you can have a good rhythm with your body, or your heart gonna beat faster. So run fastest as you can. I'm gonna show you right this. 1, 2, 3. Like that. That's what I used to be. I don't know about you, but try this before the game, and your heart will be dynamic. And then you see that 2 balls there, dalawang bola. I'm gonna run 3 times like I did here, the fastest I can, and then run to the ball, and the second ball, shoot the goal. Okay, let's see, the fastest you can, mabilis na takbo. Okay, if you can. You know, I'm not professional football player, but I played football before, and my condition then was incredible. But today, my condition, it sucks. Thank you very much for watching.